Hello, how you doing? Look, cheese on toast with beans, or also known as cheese Beanos, where I come from. So really simple, lovely little snack. Here we go. So in a pan, I've got a little bit of oil. You can use any oil you want. We're going to drop in about a cup of onion. I've sliced mine, but you can cut it small if you want. Tablespoon of garlic. Once that's kind of browned after a couple of minutes, here we go. 1 cup of fresh tomatoes. Salt, black pepper. And if you want, you can add a little spice, maybe some cumin or something like that. I'm adding a teaspoon of chili powder in my one, give it a little kick. And then we want to cook these tomatoes until they kind of break down. So probably on this above medium heat, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. 1 regular sized can I've got there, that's 400 ml of baked beans. In they go. With about half a cup of cheese. You can use any cheese you want, cheddar, mozzarella. I've got a little bit of cheddar cheese there, mild cheddar. Give that a stir, cook that for about 3 minutes. They'll become really creamy. All good. Look at that, delicious. Okay, so a few bits of toast in the toaster. I like to toast mine first. 4 slices in my case. And then really simply all we're going to do is we're going to put the beans on the toast. We're going to top it with cheese. We're going to pop it under the grill for a few minutes. Delicious. Lovely, easy snack food. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.